We have one more word problem, and that is find the area in square meter of a piece of cloth 1 meter 25 centimeter wide and 2 meter long. Now clearly, since the length and breadth both are different, therefore it is a rectangle for sure. And you have 2 meter as the length of this rectangle, and the width is 1 meter 25 centimeter. Width is 1 meter 25 centimeter. So let's say this is 2 meter and it is 1 meter and 25 centimeter. You have to find the area in square meter, and that is very interesting. If you look at this value, that is a width, it is 1 meter and 25 centimeter, and this is in meter. You have to tell in square meter. The area you have to tell should be in square meter. Now, how you will get a square meter? Can we simply multiply this length by this breadth? No, we cannot do this. Why? Because the unit should be same when we perform any kind of arithmetic operation. Here it is meter, but here it is meter and centimeter. Now, since we have to find out the answer in square meter, it should be in meter, terms of meter. Therefore, you'll have to convert this value entirely into meter. So 1 meter and 25 centimeter. Let's change it entirely into meter. So this will be 1 meter plus 25 centimeter. We know that in 100 centimeter, we have 1 meter, right? We have 1 meter. So how many meters will be in 25 centimeter? How many meters will be in 25 centimeter? And that will be 25 or 100 meter, right? So if I add this 25 or 100 meter, now we can write it as 1 meter plus 0.25 meter. 25 divided by 100, this will be 0.25. How many zeros we have? 0, 2 zeros. So 1 and 2, starting from the extreme left, right digit, and then count 2 times, 1 and 2, and then place this decimal here. That's will be 0.25 meter, and you will get 1 point. If you add these two, that is 1 and 0.25, you will get 1.25 meter. Now, in order to find the area, you have 2 meter divided by times 1.25 meter. 2 meter times 1.25 meter. And if you will solve it, this will give you 2 times 5 is 10, 2 to 4, 5, and 2.50 square meter. This will be the value of this rectangle in terms of square meter. First change this entirely into meter, and then simply multiply using area of a rectangle is length times breadth, and here you'll have that